Okay, happy Labor's Day. Yes, today is Labor's Day, but I'm getting ready to show you a new tutorial which will demonstrate how to create a flashcard deck from scratch. All right, so let's say we start a new lesson here, and the idea is to create a list of opposites. Okay, so I'm going to call opposite. All right, and let's just use a default here. I'm going to put right here as a title here. Now, for the flashcard, I'm going to show two words. They are opposite to one another, right? So to do so, you say, all right, let's say with the first one, text, one, and say we're going to speak that word here. Let's start with that something very, very simple here, all right? And let's change the color to, let's say to yellow, right? And gonna put the first word here. Now, the second word here, we simply put two here and put it right here. You can put whatever you want to here, all right? And that's pretty much it. You can just stop right here and save it, okay? And I want to save it called opposite lesson one. And right now to supply this deck with data here, all you have to do just put the actual words here. So let's say opposite here, we're going to have high and oops, if I know how to spell high, and the other word here will be low. Okay, let's choose another one here. Let's say tall, and the opposite of tall will be short. All right, since we get to that, let's do another set here. Let's say happy and sad. All right, and now the list can go as long as you want to. I'm just showing you the easiest way here. Let's save that one here. All right, now let's play back. We can play interactive mode here, which is currently always set here. Let's see how that works.
High, low,
Okay, so you show that. Now you go to the next one.
tall, short,
Very good, right? Go to the next one,
happy, sad,
right? That's how easy it is. Let's say if we want to add some more here. All you have to do, go back here to notes here and say, let's say dry and wet, right? And you can add two more here. Let's say long and short, right? So these will be played in sequence. Now, in earlier tutorial, I'll show you a little bit things that you can control that. Say if I want to play then random, okay? And I only want to play three of those. That's all you need to do. You don't have to do that, but this is something you can control, which give you a lot more control over how your flashcard deck is playing, right? So let's save that. Now it should randomly select any one of those.
happy, sad,
Okay, remember happy and sad is in the third rows. Now it's appeared the first one.
long, short,
Short. Okay, that's a new one we just created.
tall, short,
Okay, see? Now, if you set it to view mode here, which is non-interactive, so we just play the whole thing. Let's see.
dry, wet, long, short, tall, short,
Yeah, that's pretty cool, right? So since I choose random three, so you only play three here. Now, if you want to add to that, actually, you can actually change the image and make it a little bit more interesting here, right? So if I want to say, I want to add a little bit animation here. So I want to point at each word here just to kind of remind people there. Okay, so you can say point here and point here. for no reason whatsoever, but I just say how that work here, right? And let's play that.
High, low, happy, sad, long, short,
Right? See, that's pretty cool, huh? It's also very easy. And if notice that if you play interactive mode here, you can also
dry,
repeat
wet,
all these words here on the screen here. You can say, okay, so if you set it to the stamp here,
opposites, dry, wet,
so you can move whatever you want to. You
dry,
can make it any animator you want it
opposites,
to. So you will just
wet,
play that. That's it. That's how simple it is. This is just the easiest way to create it. The good news is that it's very simple. And another better news is that you have a lot more control. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. There are so many things you can do, make it really, really interesting, and that will actually make your students to enjoying all those quizzes and the flashcard you create.